Week 9, problem 2. Calculate the following integral using polar coordinates. Now, as you know, polar coordinates is a circle where our x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So, as we know, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. That means that r is going to be equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. And we know that when we end up taking it, it's going to be r dr d theta. So we first convert our bounds. The bound from -1 to 1 on a circle is really negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Now our bounds, that's our bounds for r. Our bounds for theta are going to be from 0 to 1. Now we already know up here is the square root of x squared plus y squared. So that means that this is going to end up being r. But there's another r right here. So that means our bounds are going to end up being r squared dr d theta. Again, we convert our bounds 1 to 1. If we have a circle on a graph, from here to here is negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. And from here to here, our theta is going to be from 0 to 1. So when we compute this simple integral from pi over 2, from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, and then 0 to 1 of r squared of dr d theta, we end up getting 1/3 pi. Now, of course, you can't just simply plug in certain numbers for x squared and y, so we have to be very careful when you convert the bounds and you convert what you're integrating. This concludes week 9, problem 2.